In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate ticket history with your CRM records in just a few simple steps. This is something that can dramatically improve your team's efficiency and keep your customer service efforts organized. Whether you're managing support tickets or customer interactions, having all that data in one place is crucial for a seamless experience. So, stick with me to the end, and I'll even show you how to get a free trial for the software we're using in this tutorial. First off, why is integrating ticket history with your CRM important? Well, without integration, you're often juggling multiple platforms, leading to delays, confusion, and sometimes even missed customer requests. But when your ticket system and CRM talk to each other, every interaction is automatically logged. You get a complete picture of every customer's history, whether it's issues, resolutions, or any updates. This ensures that your team has all the necessary information to act quickly and resolve issues faster. Now, let's dive into the steps. I'll show you how to integrate ticket history into your CRM using the software we'll be using today. Step 1. Access the integration settings in your CRM. Most CRM software has a dedicated section for integrations. In that section, you'll find options for connecting with external platforms like your ticketing system. If you're using a popular CRM, chances are it has pre-built integrations with many ticketing systems. If not, you'll have to rely on an API or third-party middleware. Step 2. Choose the ticketing system. You'll be prompted to select the ticketing system you're using, whether it's something like Zendesk, Freshdesk, or another platform. Once you choose it, you may need to enter API keys or authentication credentials to allow both systems to sync up. Step 3. Map the data fields. This is a crucial step for ensuring that your ticket history gets accurately imported into your CRM records. You'll need to map fields such as customer name, ticket ID, issue details, resolution status, and communication logs. It's important that these fields match up so the data transfers seamlessly into the CRM. Step 4. Set your sync frequency. You can choose whether you want the ticket history to sync in real-time, daily, or on a custom schedule. I recommend syncing it in real time so your team always has the most up-to-date information at hand. Step 5. Test the integration. Once everything's set up, it's time to test the integration. Create a test ticket in your ticketing system and check if the details appear in your CRM record. If they don't, you might need to revisit your field mapping or sync settings. Once you're satisfied that the integration is working, you're ready to go live. So now that you know the steps, let's recap. First, access your CRM's integration settings and choose your ticketing system. Then, map the data fields between the two platforms. After that, set your sync frequency and test the integration. It's that easy. If you want to follow along with these steps, I've got an exclusive free trial for the software we're using today. Link in the description below. This free trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. The key takeaway here is that integrating ticket history with your CRM helps you consolidate customer data, improves service efficiency, and ultimately leads to a better customer experience. So make sure to set it up the right way and streamline your workflow. And remember, if you want to try the software I use today, click the link in the description for your exclusive free trial. Thanks for watching.